Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to file your taxes online for free. First, open your Chrome browser and type in irs.gov. And once you're on the website, you'll be taken straight to the official IRS homepage. Now, to get the free file program section, go to the top menu and click on File. Then tap How to File. Scroll down until you see the section called Ways to File for Free. There are a few different options, but today we're focusing on the IRS Free File program. Now, tap on Explore Free Guided Tax Software. Here you'll see two choices. Browse all trusted partners, find a trusted partner. So if you want to see which partners match your situation, click Find a Trusted Partner. It'll ask you a few questions to help narrow down which free options are available to you. Let's walk through it. Say we're single. Age 18. Country, United States. State, Alabama. Free state return, select Alabama. Did you receive military pay? Well, select no. Next, it'll ask for an estimate of your adjusted gross income. Choose the one that fits you best, then tap next. Now, it asks about the EITC, that's the Earned Income Tax Credit, which is for people with low income. It'll ask how many dependents you're claiming. Let's say 0. Then it'll ask if you believe you're eligible for credit or not. I'll just tap no. I'm not eligible for this example. After that, the site will show you a list of free filing options based on your answers. Okay, so I want you to take your time and read through the options. Look at what each trusted partner offers. So if you've used one before, I recommend sticking with it. It might even let you import your info from last year. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.